In this support video, we will be replacing the front control panel on the model 1116. Always best to disconnect the gas line and power source. Pull out the control knobs. Unscrew and remove the bezel rings. Next, we unscrew the controller switch. From the back of the unit, unscrew the two holding screws on both sides. Next, we disengage the top panel with a small pull, just enough to have access to the front control panel screws. Unscrew the top control panel screws. Next, we need to unscrew and remove the oven air vents. Now will you have access to the final screws holding the control panel. Unscrew and remove the control panel. With your new control panel, place into position and align with the screw holes. Once in place, screw back the oven control switch. Now screw back the control panel. Place back the oven vent. Push in the top panel into place. From behind the unit, screw back the top panel. Screw back the control switches, the bezel rings, and this completes the installation.